If you are thinking about buying a Canva admin panel, or if you want to start a Canva Pro reselling business, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus related to Canva Pro, which will allow you to test it for free. But before understanding that bonus, you need to know a very important truth. And that truth is what the real game behind the Canva admin panel is. Because in the market, many people are selling Canva admin panels, but no one gives you clear information. And I'm telling you this from my 2 years of real experience. When I started the Canva Pro reselling business, I also thought that if I had a Canva admin panel, I could easily sell Canva Pro. But after some time, I realized that there is actually a big risk hidden inside the admin panel system. And that is exactly what I'm going to explain to you clearly in this video, so that if you are a beginner, you don't make the wrong decision. First, let's understand what a Canva admin panel actually is. In Canva, there are 3 types of accounts: owner account, teacher account, student account. When you buy a Canva admin panel, most sellers usually give you an owner account. An owner account means you have full control. You can add students, add teachers, and access Canva Pro features. Basically, student access is what people call Canva Pro. At first, this sounds very attractive, but this is exactly where the biggest risk begins. Now the big question, why do Canva admin panels get banned? The reality is that most of the cheap Canva Pro accounts sold in the market are actually Canva Education accounts. The Canva Education account is designed for school and college students. And inside Canva Education, you get almost the same features as Canva Pro. But the problem starts when people begin selling these accounts in the market for $199, $299, or $399. When Canva finds out that education accounts are being used for commercial purposes, Canva simply bans the account. The biggest problem is that there is no guarantee. No one knows when the account will get banned. Sometimes it runs for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or even more than 1 year. But the risk always remains. What happens with beginners? Let's say you are a beginner and you bought a Canva admin panel for $2,000. Then you sold 10 or 20 student accounts, meaning you sold Canva Pro access. But suddenly after 2 months, your account gets banned. Now what happens? You have to buy a new panel again. And many times the person from whom you bought the panel stops answering calls, doesn't reply to messages. And that's where people completely lose trust. So what is the solution? Now the question becomes, if the admin panel is risky, which panel should you use? According to my experience, a Canva Reseller panel is a safer option. It is also called a teacher access panel. Here's how it works. Let's say I have an owner account, and I give you teacher access inside that account. Now 2 of your biggest problems are solved. Problem 1. The 500 account limit problem is solved. Problem 2. The risk of account ban is reduced. In this panel, you get unlimited student access, meaning the 500 limit is removed. And you also get 1 year support. That means if the account ever gets banned or the limit gets crossed, you get instant replacement. You don't need to worry. You can sell unlimited accounts. If the account ever gets banned, you get a replacement immediately. One more important thing. Just because this panel exists does not mean everyone in the market provides unlimited access. It all depends on trust. If someone doesn't answer calls or reply to WhatsApp messages, how will they give you unlimited support? If you want to take this service from me, you can first build trust. We have another YouTube video, and in the comments of that video, many of our customers have shared their feedback. You can go and check that video and read the comments. If after seeing those comments you trust our service, then you can take this service from me. Because we provide unlimited access and 24/7 support. Now let's talk about the bonus I mentioned earlier. If you want to test Canva first, I will give you Canva Student Access, Canva Pro features, completely free for testing. So you can use Canva Pro, explore the features, understand how it works, and then decide what you want to do next. If you want the free testing access, my WhatsApp number is given in the description below. Send me a message there, and I will provide you free access for testing. If you learned something new from this video, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a great day.